Can you think of a reason why someone shouldn't do it?
I don't. I can't think of a reason. It's now routine for me. Get with the insurance agent and do it.
It's definitely a good safety net for when there is a drought or whatever, then you're able to carry on another year.
I know I have a lot of friends that don't use it, and they're kind of a nervous wreck, and I guess it gives me kind of a peace of mind. I know I'm not going to get rich by any means using the insurance, but I know I'm going to live to farm another year.
Mother Nature has been a hard one to deal with. We have an issue with the rain and the of how dry it can be some years. With the insurance, it's just kind of a safety net.
We have a PRF program that helps farmers and ranchers alike.
A lot of people call it rain insurance, but it's not just rain insurance. What it does, it goes off the NOAA rain gauges, so they predict how much rain falls in a federal rain gauge, and then you can insure up to a certain percentage of that rain.
Let's say typically in an average year, your ranch, there's 1 inch of rain. And let's say that you get only 7/10 of rain this year.
You're going to have to either run your pump more to offset that, or you're just not going to have your feed up on the range grounds.
If we're very short on moisture and you've got to find other grazing ground to take your cattle to, this is something that's going to help cover some of those costs, as well as finding feed for your cattle and so forth. It has helped in that way for me.
Take the time to investigate the product, find out really what it is, because it changes every year. What was 5 years ago is not the same today. The federal government continues to modify and update and make better, and try and change to help protect what the farmer needs today.
And I truly find that if we can sit down with a farmer or rancher and present that program, out of everybody that I presented the program to, everybody signed up except for one farmer. So it really is, if you can provide them the information, it sells itself.
If you've tried it in the past and it didn't work, I would say look at it again, try and find out what's changed and what's been updated, because it's always evolving.
I do recommend people do this coverage. The premiums aren't, even if you did have to pay those premiums, they're not expensive. It's very reasonable, but in the end, you've got that peace of mind.
I trust that they're selling it to me because that's what's right, not just that's what's making them the most money. Yeah, I really appreciate these guys for what they've done.